What's up, Spartans? I'm Mark Keegan, and this just in, I am here with Luis Morales, our first confirmed contestant in the Craze cookie eating contest. Luis, what do you have to say to our viewers?
My name is Luis Morales, and nobody eats cookies like I do.
This just in, contestant number 2, confirmed for the Craze. Ethan, how you doing today?
I'm feeling great, man. I am ready to destroy those cookies and to destroy Luis. You are dead.
Watch out, Luis. Ethan's coming with the third confirmed contestant for the Craze, James Hannigan.
What's going on, guys? I'm James Hannigan, and I'm ready to eat some cookies because this skinny boy eats.
Watch out. What's up, Spartans? I'm with contestant number 4 for the cookie contest, Mike Ty. What you gotta say, Mike?
Mark, I actually have a question for you.
Yeah.
When do you take a cookie to the doctor?
I don't know. When do you do that?
When he's feeling crummy.
That's awesome. What's up, Spartans? Contestant number 5 for the cookie eating contest, Mike Shine. What you gotta say?
Crazier than I look, so be ready to shine on December 4th.
Hell yeah. What's up, Spartans? Contestant number 6, Kayla Cobelli. What you gotta say?
I'm tiny but mighty. Be prepared.
What's up, Spartans? Contestant number 7 for the cookie eating contest, Miss Murphy. What do you have to say to our contestants?
I'm a cookie-eating threat.
Hey, Spartans. I'm with contestant number 8 for the cookie eating contest, Erin Andrews. She is the former pie eating contest champion. Erin, what do you have to say?
This isn't my first food competition, so you better watch out.
Be prepared. I'm with the 9th confirmed contestant of the cookie eating contest, Professor Burns. What do you have to say?
I'm not a big fan of cookies, but I love competition.
Be prepared.